All right, for those of you who want a little bit of a review or missed class, here's part 2. So on each of these, my first step is to identify my M and my B for line 1. So line 1, my M is 2. Remember, we put it over 1 if it's a whole number. And my B is -1. Okay? My line 2, oh, look at this. This isn't y equals. So I have to do some math first. First, I have to divide all of these by 2. This will cancel. 4 divided by 2 will give me, let's see, y equals 4 divided by 2 is 2x. -8 divided by 2 will give me -4. Okay, so then over here, I've got actually 2 over 1 and -4. Oh, look at that. Those are similar. What's going to happen? I don't know. Let's graph I'll graph number 2 first since I've got the green pen. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And then down from that, I'm going to go up 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. Oh, I totally missed. Up 2 over 1. I'm going to connect that when the video's not going. So let me draw my red dots first. I'm going to go down to -1, and then I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Again, I'm going to connect those in a few minutes while you draw your lines. Okay, I'm hoping on this one you noticed that these both had the same slope. And we learned last semester that when things have the same slope, they're parallel. And if you can't see that, these are parallel lines. So I'm going to have 0 solutions because they're never going to cross. And they are parallel lines. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, I'm hoping you noticed this was not y equals. And that we needed to divide everybody by 6 to get rid of that 6. That will cancel. -12 divided by 6 is -2x. Okay. -18 divided by 6 is, hopefully you said -3, which will make that my b. And my slope is -2 over 1. Ooh, what do you notice? What do you notice? They have the exact same slope, and they have the exact same y-intercept. So how many solutions is this going to have? The word that you are looking for is infinite, because these are the same line. I started with my -3 here. And from my -3, I'm going to do a rise of -2, down 2, 1, 2, over 1. Oops, I missed again. Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Okay? And now I can connect that line. Again, I'm going to do that off. Well, never mind. I'll just do it. It's not great, but you get the idea. It needs to be straight for you because it's really important to see where they cross. Okay? So we've got infinite solutions. We had 0 solutions on the last one. What do you think we're going to have on this next one? What do you think? I think, okay, x equals 2. X equals 2. Okay, as you probably noticed in your notes, yours is a 3. So you should use a 3. X equals 3. So what's my slope? Ooh. I don't have one. Oh, I drew that wrong. Get that out of there. I don't have one. I have no slope. It's undefined. So we're going to put UND for undefined. And my x, I don't have a slope either. But my x is going to go through on 3. 1, 2, 3. So remember, x equals 3 is that vertical line. So now we've got that on there. Okay, now, hopefully you noticed you had to divide this by 3. And then I'm going to get, what's my slope going to be? -2 over 3. So -2/3 for your m. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my b is 3. So b is 3. I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then from that position, I'm going to go down 2 over 3 to the right. Down 2 Over 3 to the right is going to be on my line, so that's where they're going to cross. Down to over 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw my line. Oh, I want it to be straight. Is it going to be straight? Not really, but I do have a point right on the line, so I know where they cross. I really want yours to be straight, so please use a ruler or some sort of straight edge. Okay, where do they cross each other? Right there. What point is that? How many solutions do they, what point is that? Yes, 1, comma. No, it's not. It's 3, comma, 1. Over 3 is our x, and up 1 is our y, giving me one single solution, and I am good to go. So, as a review, I am going to have number of solutions in this case right here is 1. One solution, okay? And I don't really have any terminology here. I just want you to point out there's one solution, and I'm just going to abbreviate that SOL dot. Okay, here I don't have a red line because it's underneath the blue line, okay? So how many solutions do I have there? I have infinite solutions, and that is because they are the same line. Okay? Here, because these lines are parallel, I don't know what's happening and why my letters aren't writing. I have 0 solutions. So those are our options. One solution, infinite solutions, or 0 solutions. You could use the number 1 or the word 1. I don't care. When you're asked number of solutions, that's great. But if you have a solution, like right here, you have to indicate what that solution is. So in this case, what is my ordered pair? I went over 1, 2, 3. Nope, too far. 1, 2, so my x value is 2. How many did I go up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 4. That's my solution. If you don't have this part right here, you are wrong. You do not have your answer done. I'm going to ask how many solutions I have, but if there's one single solution, you better give it to me. You better tell me what that is, okay? Here, you're telling me it's every solution, so every single point on this blue line is the same as every single point on the red line. And here I don't have any because they don't cross each other. Fantastic. God bless. Let's go.